り。
Wash the vegetables. Wash the vegetables. Wash the vegetables. Cut the onion. Cut the onion. Cut the onion. Boil the water. Boil the water. Boil the water. Fry the eggs. Fry the eggs. Fry the eggs. Mix the ingredients. Mix the ingredients. Mix the ingredients. Turn on the stove. Turn on the stove. Turn on the stove. Turn off the stove. Turn off the stove. Turn off the stove. Pour the milk. Pour the milk. Pour the milk. Stir the soup. Stir the soup. Stir the soup. Peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Chop the garlic. Chop the garlic. Chop the garlic. Grate the cheese. Grate the cheese. Grate the cheese. Open the can. Open the can. Open the can. Close the fridge. Close the fridge. Close the fridge. Set the timer. Set the timer. Set the timer. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven. Clean the counter. Clean the counter. Clean the counter. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Dry the dishes. Dry the dishes. Slice the bread. Slice the bread. Slice the bread. Serve the food. Serve the food. Serve the food. Taste the sauce. Taste the sauce. Taste the sauce. Add more salt. Add more salt. Add more salt. Heat the oil. Heat the oil. Heat the oil. Mash the potatoes. Mash the potatoes. Mash the potatoes. Roll out the dough. Roll out the dough. Roll out the dough. Whisk the eggs. Whisk the eggs. Whisk the eggs. Bake the cake. Bake the cake. Bake the cake. Flip the pancake. Flip the pancake. Flip the pancake. Measure the flour. Measure the flour. Measure the flour. Add the sugar. Add the sugar. Add the sugar. Sprinkle the spices. Sprinkle the spices. Sprinkle the spices. Toast the bread. Toast the bread. Toast the bread. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Pour the juice. Pour the juice. Pour the juice. Freeze the meat. Freeze the meat. Freeze the meat. Thaw the meat. Thaw the meat. Thaw the meat. Marinate the chicken. Marinate the chicken. Marinate the chicken. Simmer the sauce. Simmer the sauce. Simmer the sauce. Carve the turkey. Carve the turkey. Carve the turkey. Drain the pasta. Drain the pasta. Drain the pasta. Melt the butter. Melt the butter. Melt the butter. Grease the pan. Grease the pan. Grease the pan. Crack the eggs. Crack the eggs. Crack the eggs. Spread the butter. Spread the butter. Spread the butter. Grill the chicken. Grill the chicken. Grill the chicken. Steam the vegetables. Steam the vegetables. Steam the vegetables. Cut the cheese. Cut the cheese. Cut the cheese. Serve the salad. Serve the salad. Serve the salad. Prepare the ingredients. Prepare the ingredients. Prepare the ingredients. Cook the rice. Cook the rice. Cook the rice. Boil the eggs. Boil the eggs. Boil the eggs. Cool the dessert. Cool the dessert. Cool the dessert. Chill the wine. Chill the wine. Chill the wine. Mash the avocado. Mash the avocado. Mash the avocado. Roast the vegetables. Roast the vegetables. Roast the vegetables. Spread the jam. Spread the jam. Spread the jam. Fry the bacon. Fry the bacon. Fry the bacon. Serve the soup. Serve the soup. Serve the soup. Measure the water. Measure the water. Measure the water. Skim the fat. Skim the fat. Skim the fat. Peel the apple. Peel the apple. Peel the apple. Chop the vegetables. Chop the vegetables. Chop the vegetables. Brew the coffee. Brew the coffee. Brew the coffee. Grind the coffee beans. Grind the coffee beans. Grind the coffee beans. Heat the soup. Heat the soup. Heat the soup. Blend the smoothie. Blend the smoothie. Blend the smoothie. Cover the pot. Cover the pot. Cover the pot. Uncover the pot. Uncover the pot. Uncover the pot. Shred the lettuce. Shred the lettuce. Shred the lettuce. Add the vinegar. Add the vinegar. Add the vinegar. Cook on low heat. Cook on low heat. Cook on low heat. Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. Turn down the heat. Turn down the heat. Turn down the heat. Strain the broth. Strain the broth. Strain the broth. Pour the sauce. Pour the sauce. Pour the sauce. Drizzle with oil. Drizzle with oil. Drizzle with oil. Garnish with parsley. Garnish with parsley. Garnish with parsley. Microwave the leftovers. Microwave the leftovers. Microwave the leftovers. Store the food. Store the food. Store the food. Chop the cilantro. Chop the cilantro. Chop the cilantro. Serve with rice. Serve with rice. Serve with rice. Cool the cake. Cool the cake. Cool the cake. Boil the pasta. Boil the pasta. Boil the pasta. Grill the fish. Grill the fish. Grill the fish. Scramble the eggs. Scramble the eggs. Scramble the eggs. Caramelize the onions. Caramelize the onions. Caramelize the onions. Roast the chicken. Roast the chicken. Roast the chicken. Slice the cucumber. Slice the cucumber. Slice the cucumber. Make the dressing. Make the dressing. Make the dressing. Chop the herbs. Chop the herbs. Chop the herbs. Mash the garlic. Mash the garlic. Mash the garlic. Make the sandwich. Make the sandwich. Make the sandwich. Cut the carrots. Cut the carrots. Cut the carrots. Fry the fish. Fry the fish. Fry the fish. Mince the garlic. Mince the garlic. Mince the garlic. Slice the tomatoes. Slice the tomatoes. Slice the tomatoes. Grate the carrots. Grate the carrots. Grate the carrots. Fill the pot with water. Fill the pot with water. Fill the pot with water. Cook on high heat. Cook on high heat. Cook on high heat.